Yo, listen up. You know all those times you've asked ChatGPT or Google to do your homework or solve your math problems? Well, buckle up, because what I'm about to tell you might blow your mind. Believe it or not, that shiny AI wizard on your phone, your new best friend for instant answers, might be secretly dumbing you down. Crazy, right? I know we all love that instant help. Who has time to think? Am I right? But new research is dropping some serious truth bombs. Turns out, every time we lean on AI's answers, we might be letting our own brain cells take a nap. And here's the shocker. Studies, real fancy ones from MIT and Microsoft, are starting to show that if we're not careful, AI could make our brains lazy. But hey, don't freak out yet. We all do it. It's not your fault. We're just human beings using cool new tech. And guess what? There's a sweet spot here too. Stick around, and I'll spill the secrets on how not to let AI make you suck at things. We'll dive into some jaw-dropping science, share some hilarious real-life examples, because hey, learning should be fun, right? And I'll give you easy tips to beat the AI dumbing effect. So if you've ever asked Siri or a chatbot a quick question, or texted, "Homework help please," you need to watch this. Trust me, by the end, you'll be saying, "Whoa, I did not see that coming." Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with the big picture. Why is using AI for every little thing a problem? Imagine your brain like a muscle. If you never use it, it gets weak. Every time you hand off a job to AI, whether it's solving a math problem, looking up a date, or writing a sentence, it's like skipping a gym session for your brain. Sure, it's convenient. Hey Siri, what's 15% of 60? 9, you idiot. Done. But what about the next time when you have to know it on your own? We do this all the time without realizing. Think about phone numbers. When's the last time you memorized one? Now your contact list has every number, so why bother? Same with facts. If Google or ChatGPT has it, our brain says, "Cool, I don't need to remember that." This offloading might feel smart. Instant answers, less stress. But it comes at a hidden cost. Example, imagine you're cramming for a big quiz. Normally, you'd be quizzing yourself, practicing problems, saying formulas out loud. But with AI, you might just type in, "Explain this concept," and paste the answer into your notes. Boom, quiz, done. But did you really learn anything? Did you practice recalling that info? If not, your brain kind of goes, I'm out. It's like skipping leg day forever because your friend can do squats for you. At first, no worries, you save time. But eventually, your brain muscles are undertrained. You'll notice it when someone asks you a question in class or during an exam, and blank stare. Viewers' takeaway. It feels okay to offload, but be mindful. Every task you let AI do is one less exercise for your brain. Balance is key. If your brain could talk, it'd say, "Hey buddy, don't make me carry all the weight all the time, but don't leave me on the couch either." So next time before you say, "Hey ChatGPT, do my homework," pause and ask yourself, will I remember any of this if I don't try it myself? This is the first step to outsmarting the so-called dumbing effect of AI.